adjacent angles. See the figure here. So here this is the one arm on one side. This is the other arm and this is the other arm. So this is called the line segment. These line segment are intersect at the point B. This is the common vertex. Okay. So here the angle is 1 and here the angle is 2. Now if you said angles 1 and 2 are adjacent angles, they should follow the some condition. The condition is they have a common vertex. See here, these angles have common vertex, that is angle B. Okay, and they have a common horn. So see this angle and this angle have a common horn, that is this one. Okay, and one more thing here, the non-common horns are on either side of the common horn. So these are the non-common horns. Okay, this is the common horn for both the angles. So this side and this side is non-common horn, and both the angles have a same vertex. The vertex is B. So this is the condition should be followed by the adjacent angles, and here these angles are called 1 and 2 are called the adjacent angles. The condition is they have a common vertex. This is B. They have a common horn and they have a non-common horns or on the either side of the common horn. These are non-common horns for these both the angles, and 1 and 2 are called the adjacent angles. So next one is linear pair. The name itself says that linear is nothing but straight line. Okay, this will form the line. This is called a straight line. Linear, the name itself says that linear means straight. So see this figure. Here this is the ray. The ray is one is BC, another one is BA. These rays are extant opposite direction. Okay, these are opposite rays, and these lines or these rays are continuously extend in opposite direction, and these both opposite ray forms a line. The line is AC. So this pair is called a what? Linear pair. And angles of linear pair are always supplementary. The supplementary means if you add two pairs or two angles, we get sum is 180 degree. So if you add these two angles 1 and 2, these both angles are supplementary, that is 180 degree. If you should remember that if you take the straight line, this angle should be always 180 degree. So if you draw any line here, so this line will break this line into two parts or divide this line into two parts. This angle should be like 70 and this angle should be 110. When you add these two, we get 180 degree. So this is called the linear pair, and angles of linear pair always supplementary. Supplementary means the sum of the pair of two